cited a budget expert who actually analyzed our budget laws, and it seems that from 2015 to 2024, so roughly 9 years, the Philippines has allocated this is based on your speech, 1.14 trillion pesos.
Yes.
Trillion po for
Correct.
flood control and flood management programs
Correct.
through the DPWH. Now,
Yes.
ang tanong is, what's happened? Where does the problem lie? Because clearly there is money. For 2024, you have another 255 billion that's allotted for flood control, a budget bigger than even some major agencies in the Philippines. So where does the problem lie, Senator?
Well, I have to add that almost more than half or almost half of the 1.14 trillion pesos allocated was allocated under for the Marcos administration already.
Okay.
Kalahati din. So malaki halaga. So I think that that is the question. And the Senate Committee on Public Works will be conducting a hearing tomorrow o Thursday. So pakinggan po natin yung kung saan ba talaga pumunta yan. Kasi napakalaking halaga. Sabi ni Senator Joel Villanueva, that's 1 billion pesos a day.
Yeah.
And then sabi ko, dinagdagan ko na lang na, siyempre yung contractor sa flood control projects natin, may lihitimong kita yun eh. Lihitimo, nakita ha, lihitimo. Ilagay mo na sa modest 10% ang lihitimong kita. So ibig sabihin nun, some group, or some lucky, fortunate, or well-connected groups of people are earning 100 million pesos a day from the Filipino people in the name of controlling our floods na hindi naman natin nakikita. So, yun po yung masakit dito. And then at lahat itong flood control projects na nagastusan na ay bago nagastusan ay ginastusan muna sa feasibility studies. Billion din, Karen. Kaya dapat dito nga sa budget process ngayon, pati itong feasibility studies, wala na tayong choice but to really also ask ano bang budget itong feasibility studies na in the billions din. And who are these people giving us this feasibility studies? And of course, they gave their feasibility studies for the existing flood control projects already implemented were positive. Sabi nila, okay, this will work. Ano nangyari? So, sabi ko nga, talagang ang paulit-ulit nating question ngayon is, ano ba ang nangyayari? What's happening? What's going on?